Huh?
You bad, you took my car.
Oh, wait, what's wrong with it, man?
You took it.
It's got a bad tag?
No, I don't know what's wrong, maybe the transmission or what.
Anyway, I don't know if you could hear that with the truck being so loud, but that guy said that we were bad. No, I was bad. I didn't bring his car in, but that's, you know, I asked him, you know, why did it get towed? And he said he didn't know, but Ruby told me he's got a expired tag or something, so it's not our fault it got towed. Anyway, that's Ruby. He's talking to Ruby. He's our lot guy, and he's a super nice guy. He's been in some other videos before, but he deals with the same drama we deal with out there. They come in here, they come storming up in here, and they're mad. Want to yell at somebody about their car because they got a bad tag or they got a flat tire and they didn't take care of the vehicle. They want to yell at somebody, so they come over here and take it out on us. But we're, you know, we take a little bit. We don't take a whole lot. This guy here needs to hurry up and get out of the way.
All right, Victor.
Did he find his insurance or anything?
No, man. Everything that he's showing me is
It's invalid. Hey, can you call your insurance and get them to send a copy of the insurance policy? Yeah. If you can do that, hey, that's the easiest way.
Take your paperwork. It has a phone number. You can call them and tell them.
They can fax it to us, and that way we can release it.
Yeah. Let's go inside where it's nice and cool, and then you can do this.
I think that gentleman was hoping to be able to sneak that car out and drive it out. He's definitely trying to hang out here, which is what they do when they're trying to steal their car back. But we're kind of hip to the game. We know how this works. He was trying to drive his car out, but he's not going to be able to do that. He's going to have to pay it out. That's the way it works. I'm rolling in hot over here. We got another driver over here on property. He's got a couple of cars he said I can get. Anyway, we're gonna try to get him out of here. It's getting late in the day, and when it gets late, it gets tougher because everybody's coming home. You wind up having controversy around 5. Right now, it's 5:15. Perfect time for controversy or confrontations. I'm gonna go in here and grab some. We got Tater over here. There he is, right there. He's pointing out what he's got for me over here. The Caravan looks like the first one up. Yep. Dodge Caravan, no tag. I've been sitting here for a while. Yeah. Terrible, man. Look at that. Look at that crap. Well, you got somebody with you. Hey, pick up so I can pull this this cam pin. All right, come. All right, it's on. Man, look at these parking spots, man. Terrible. Good backing job. Anyway, that's why we tow these cars. Crap like this right here. I got no tags on them. Sitting here for months. And nobody ever does anything to them. All right, he got it now. He'll put some drag lights before he hits the highway. You have to. I got somebody following me right here. Just gave me a hard look and now he's following me.
Mueve el carro para que la gente pueda pasar. Póngalo acá.
So he says he got the tag.
This one does have the tag, so this one has to go back. This one, if he doesn't pay, I mean that's on him. I can't do anything for him on this one. So
Yeah. Who's it? Is this one his too?
This one is his.
Okay.
This one is the gentleman over there. So
Yeah.
this is the only one that I want put back.
Yeah.
That one,
Yeah.
I have nothing to do with that.
Yeah. That was gonna go back. Yeah, it's going back. Yeah, she decided that. It's coming off.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I ain't got nothing to do with the red car.
Yeah.
That one got to go back.
Yeah, it's got to go back.
back.
This one, he wants to pay this one off.
Pay it out. Thing is, I got 30 days to get a tag on.
But the thing is, this is private property, so this is different.
Well, you ain't got a tag on that one, man. You talking about 30 days, man. You riding around without a tag or nothing, man. Come on. Well, I understand you got 30 days, but hey, you got a week in Georgia. You got 7 days in Georgia to get a tag, transfer your title. It ain't 30 days. They used to be 30 days. It's not anymore. It's not anymore.
So you
He needs to pull in front. You go back to your place, 3. You give it 3.
They're gonna put that one back.
Hey, we're going back to the building. It's gonna be 200, 100 for each car. We'll see you in just a minute. We'll see you in about 3 minutes. We're on the way. The story on the Altima, the guy with the Altima, he didn't pump his tire up. He did fix his tag, being that he did fix his tag, the manager decided that she wasn't going to tow the vehicle because he did try and did get his tag, and regardless of the flat tire, she decided she wasn't going to tow it. So we're having to put it back. But these other two, they belong to the guy. I think it's a 4Runner or something he's driving. He's riding around in some vehicle with no tag, and he's got 2 more right here with no tag. He's just one of those people that don't like to buy tags for his vehicles. It's pretty common. I've seen a lot of people do that. They do it all over the place. Think they can drive around without a tag on their car. Don't work like that. That's not how it's not how things work in the world. It's a real entitled mentality. The manager said he's got 24 hours to get these 2 cars off the property or get tags on them, and we will be back over here to get them. What's going on, man?
So yeah, it's this one and not red flag.
Huh? Yeah, it's $200.
Well, if you do anything else, I mean, you haven't even taken out of the property.
Listen, it's not my money.
Look, the reason I don't have a tag is because I've been trying to get to work and stuff like that.
I understand.
I haven't got paid, man. So
I understand.
Can you talk to your boss and make you 150?
He's not going. I mean, my boss ain't gonna shave nothing off. He's gonna tell what he's gonna tell me. And I'm not trying to be rude to you. He's gonna tell me if you don't want to pay, take him to the lot. That's what he's gonna tell me. That's just how he does.
Selfish and...
Well, no, listen, look at the parking spots, man. Look at the dirt. This is where you had them parked, man. I mean, granted, I understand you trying to do flipping. They're decent little cars. They're flippers. You need to sell one. Sell one of them. You know what I'm saying?
That's not the thing, though.
I know, but the thing is, hey, everybody else, not just you, everybody on property has to keep up to the property rules, and that's what she wants, and that's why. Hey, she told me you got 24 hours to get them off the property or get them fixed, or she's gonna tow them again. And I'm not trying to be mean. That's just what the manager said.
The manager can suck my, you know what. Oh, that's okay.
You can take call. You can just call. There's no problem. You just need to call her dispatch. That's all. Yeah, I mean, if it's not our money, let's say it's company money. It's company money. I'm gonna let him run his card in secrecy. I think we're clear to come back out here. Yeah, just hey. Listen, she calls us. We're gonna come over here and yank them. You listen. You need to talk to her. If she says come get them, they're yanked, man. That's just what we do. We pull. They call. We come and take them.
All right.
So just talk to her. Be nice to her.
All right. I'm being nice to her.
Yeah. Oh, you did. Yeah.